Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a full tutorial on how to connect your Wix store to Facebook Shop using the Go Data Feed integration. Whether you're just getting started with online sales or you've been running your Wix website for a while, by the end of this video, you'll have a seamless connection between your store and Facebook Shop, making it easier than ever to reach new customers and boost your sales. So let's dive in and get started. First off, head over to your Wix dashboard and find the App Market. Think of the App Market as the main hub where you can browse and add new tools to extend what your Wix website can do. If you're not familiar with the App Market, it's usually in the left sidebar, labeled Apps or App Market. Take your time. There's no rush here. It's designed to help you discover features that make managing your store a breeze. Once you're in the App Market, we are going to use the search bar to look for Facebook Shops by Go Data Feed. It's important to type the name precisely so you get the right app. Go Data Feed is a well-trusted provider that specializes in connecting e-commerce platforms with popular marketplaces like Facebook, letting your products appear directly in Facebook Shop for millions of potential customers to see. And just as a tip, if you don't see it at first, double-check your spelling or try just Facebook Shop. Sometimes search results can be a little finicky. Found it? Awesome. Now, click the Add to Site button. This action installs the Go Data Feed app onto your Wix store and begins the integration process. Think of this as adding a bridge between your Wix website and Facebook Shop. Don't worry, this part is pretty straightforward and Wix will guide you through the basic steps. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter some essential details: your email address, your store name, a password for your account, and your payment method. Let's take a moment to talk about why each of these matters. Your email is the main way Go Data Feed will communicate with you, sending important alerts or status updates. The store name is the identity that gets displayed on Facebook, so make sure this matches your brand and is something customers will recognize. Setting up a password is just basic account security, ensuring only you can make changes or updates to your store's connection. And of course, your payment method is required because most integrations like Go Data Feed have a subscription fee or require payment for their services. If you're wondering about the safety of your information, Go Data Feed and Wix both use secure systems, so your details are protected. Just be sure to double-check everything as you enter it. When you've filled in all your information, click to confirm and complete the setup. This might take a few moments, so don't worry if it stalls for a second. The app is busy linking your store's data and preparing to sync it with Facebook. Once the integration is complete, you'll have access to a new menu that connects your Wix store directly to Facebook Shop. From here, you can manage your products, sync your inventory, and navigate both platforms with ease. It's really like opening a second front door for your business. Now your Facebook followers can browse and buy right from your shop. And those orders will show up in your Wix dashboard, just like normal. If you've ever worried about juggling multiple stores or missing orders, this integration streamlines everything so you stay organized and in control. And that's it. You are now connected and ready to start selling through Facebook Shop with your Wix store. Take a few minutes to explore the options and make sure your products look perfect for your new audience. If you hit any bumps or feel stuck, drop your questions down in the comments and I'll be happy to help out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides that help you grow your business online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.